Welcome back to Smart Money with Jim. Today, I'm here to guide you through transferring your USDT from a SafePal wallet to Binance step by step. But before we start, let me remind you, your security is everything. Never ever share your seed phrase or private keys with anyone. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the SafePal wallet app on your phone. Before making any transactions, double-check that your seed phrase is securely stored. Remember, this is the key to your wallet, so keep it safe. Next, log into your Binance account. If you don't have one yet, it's simple to create an account. Once logged in, ensure that Binance supports the network your USDT uses. This could be ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. In Binance, navigate to the Deposit section from your Wallet tab. Select USDT as your coin and the network that matches your SafePal wallet. Copy the deposit address provided. This is where we'll send your USDT. Now head back to your SafePal wallet. Click Send or Transfer, then paste the Binance deposit address you just copied into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, review the details carefully, and confirm the transaction. You may need to use your wallet's security features like a PIN or biometric scan to authorize the transfer. After sending, head over to Binance and check your wallet. The USDT transfer should appear shortly. The time may vary depending on the network you selected, but typically, it's pretty quick. And that's it. You've successfully transferred USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. For more tips and tricks to make your money work smarter, tune in to Smart Money with Jim. See you in the next video.